In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sum function in Google Sheets. Fix Today here, let's begin. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com, then sign into your Google account. Once you're signed in, open the spreadsheet that contains the numerical data you want to add together. Let's start with summing a column of values. Click inside an empty cell where you want the total to appear. This cell will display the result of your calculation. Type an equal sign. This tells Google Sheets that you're entering a formula. Next, type sum followed immediately by an opening parenthesis. You should now see the formula beginning to take shape inside the selected cell. Click and hold on the first numerical cell you want to include in the calculation. Keep holding your mouse button and drag down through the rest of the cells you want to add. Once the entire range is highlighted, release the mouse button. Google Sheets will automatically place the selected cell range into the formula. Type a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. Press Enter on your keyboard and Google Sheets will calculate the total and display the final sum in the selected cell. If you want to add numbers across a row instead, click inside an empty cell where you want the total to be displayed. Type an equal sign, then type sum, followed by an opening parenthesis. Click and hold on the first numerical cell in the row that you want to include. Drag across the row until all the required cells are highlighted, then release the mouse button. Type a closing parenthesis and press Enter. The total for that row will immediately appear in the selected cell. If you need to add only specific numbers from a column or row, click inside an empty cell where you want the result to be displayed. Type an equal sign, then type CM, followed by an opening parenthesis. Hold Control on your keyboard and click each specific numerical cell you want to include in the total. Continue selecting the values you need. Once all the desired cells have been selected, type a closing parenthesis and press Enter. Google Sheets will calculate the sum using only the selected values. If you have multiple columns that need totals, select the first completed total and drag the small blue circle handle to the next location where you want another total. Google Sheets will automatically calculate the corresponding values. The same process works for rows as well. Simply select the first total and drag the blue circle handle across to calculate the remaining totals. You can also use the functions icon to create a sum more quickly. Click inside the empty cell where you want the total to appear. Select the functions icon near the upper right area of the sheet and choose sum. Then click and hold on the first numerical cell you want to include in the calculation. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.